I'm Jeremiah Long from MarineMax Sarasota, and we are standing on board our 2020 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. Guys, this boat has a bunch of new stuff. For 2020, Sea Ray decided to do this stone interior. Really pretty, really classy looking color, and throughout the gray color scheme just sets off. It's not dark enough to heat up in the sunlight, but it looks effortlessly classy. Secondly, if you haven't looked at the pictures already, this boat is quantum blue. The quantum is also a new color for 2020, so this boat's just loaded with it. It has all those things. At the back, you've got Mercury's 250 V8s. They're awesome, and they have joystick control. That gives you skyhook, that gives you autopilot capabilities, and it just gives you ease of docking around the docks. That's honestly the most critical or the most stressful part of boating is when you're around the docks. This boat takes it away. Cool thing with these Sundancers, they give you this electric sunshade. This boat has black canvas, and what that does is it'll actually run out past the back of your seat. So even if you're standing on the swim platform, you can pick up a little bit of shade from it. This boat's also got part of that summer kitchen. Here you've got a grill all set up. You've got your sink over here, and then down below it, you've actually got a stainless steel refrigerator and even trash can. Love it. Seems simple. Little $10 plastic trash can in there, guys. It's unbelievably helpful. This boat also has one of the big options. This is the moonroof. You can get up on the hard top. Not everybody needs it, but for those who do, whether you're boating in January down here, whatever the case may be, this is a nice, very, very pretty feature to have. Up at the helm, they've carried some of the things that we're seeing in the SLXs last year, the 400 SLX with this smooth dash pod. It almost looks like something you'd see on a custom-built yacht. So you've got two 12-inch Simrads in the dash, give you a lot of control over this boat. The acrylic behind them looks incredible, flanked with stainless cup holders. And then you've got some critical switches, some illumination, stuff like that right on the dash, flanked by this touchscreen hybrid Fusion. Guys, that is a really, really phenomenal head unit. I love it. I've used it a lot. This boat also, you'll see over in front of the controls, you'll see that blue sticker. It's yacht certified and has air conditioning on at the helm, which is really truly top deck air conditioning. Guys, that's an incredible feature to have when we get here to July and August, but that doesn't take away from AC down below. See, this is a Sundancer after all. So when you come down below in this Sundancer, not only do you have an expansive V-berth forward, and yes, this does convert to a dinette like you're always used to seeing, but in addition to that, you've got room underneath the deck down here that gives you sleeping for two more. This is definitely capable of a weekender for a family of four. You've got a fridge and microwave, and Sea Ray does a really good job with some clever storage down here. They're giving you every inch they possibly can with those little slides. Then finally, you've got a wet head off to the side here. Sea Ray's done a really nice job with their woodwork in this boat. This gray oak kind of looks real, real pretty. And that bathroom has a lot more room than this boat makes you think. Part of the reasoning for why you might think it doesn't have so much room, well, that's because on these 32 Sundancers, they give you a bow as well. This bow, I can't explain to you how big this is for a 32-foot cabin boat. This lounger, you can be 6 foot and your feet won't come off the end. You've got cup holders on both sides, stereo controls, and of course you've got a premium Fusion sound system in this boat. It has a windlass. It genuinely will take care of everything that a family needs. Guys, I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax Sarasota. If you want to join us on the beautiful water that we have right now, this is one of the best boats to do it in. This is our 2020 320 Sundancer. We'll talk to you soon.